Good afternoon, this is Jan. Today I'm in the beer factory in Delft and I ordered a beer. This one is the Bianco, which is a Pilsner beer, and it's inspired by Belgian Abbey beer. I just read here, so I'm gonna try it now. Full, hoppy. Some acidity. Here I have all the technical facts. Well, not all facts, but some. They use German and Czech hop, so that makes it more bitter. If you're thirsty, this one is nice. What is special about this place is that they brew their own beer. It's a beer brewery and a restaurant as well, and they only have like 4 beers on their menu, which are their own beers. And here I have them. These beers have Italian names like Bianco, Rosso and Nero. It's quite bitter and quite refreshing. Beer number 2, Rosso, which means red. It's a ruby red ale. Very different than the first one. Malted barley, not roasted, but very malty. By the way, this one is 5.6%, the other one was 5.2%, so it's a little bit stronger. And I think it has more taste, it's more my kind of beer. I like the red ales. And beer number 3, the Nero, which is a black beer porter. Malty, coffee-like chocolate, roasted, maybe some roasted barley they use. Porter is one of my favorite beer styles. It's not an everyday drinking beer, but it's quite nice because it's a little bit strong. This one, by the way, is 5.8%. This one I really taste the pure chocolate, which makes it very aromatic. Definitely my favorite one. As I'm enjoying my last drop of porter, thank you for watching this video and I see you in the next one. Bye!